We'll be back here at Mabalacat, Pampanga. Last Friday afternoon. We're staying here 2 weeks. Take vacations there again at Puerto Galera. After 2 weeks, is Daddy doing? Watching TV. Watching TV. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Looking good, huh?
Perfect. Perfect na siya. It's
He's
so we're gonna try
watching.
another.
This is our apartment here. Now we just rent here. And my grandkids
Let's hear it, guys, because
want to sleep here. You see? A problem? Oh my God. My granddaughter want to sleep here because have aircon. You see? Sleep in the sofa. That's good. See?
So this is, guys.
My daughter. Look.
This is the Seaboard Shield.
It's yes, my daughter sleeping also. And grandkids. Charot, Daddy. And that's it. That's our life here at Mabalacat City. Also still watching video. That's only updates. Daddy's here at Mabalacat. That's it. Yes, only
Look at the view,
hugs.
guys. Says it's very nice.
Grapes.
That's the
Nothing to say. Yes.
Fantastic Island.
That's it. Oh my God. See my granddaughter looks pity. Oh, see. Seems a problem. No problem. Seems a big problem. My gosh.
After the research,
Funny.
after the experiment, after developing. Oh my God. Look at the chaos, guys. They're all black.
That's
And the
our room.
birds.
It's too dark this side because of
Guys, look at that,
cabinet
guys.
and TV
Our
back to back.
world here.
This
Look
is
at the view,
it.
guys.
See you to the next video.